Hello, sixth graders. Sorry that I could not be there today, but I wanted to make this video so that those of you who have not used Tinkercad in a while, or this is your first time, know how to sign in and start using the workspace in Tinkercad. First of all, when you open up your Chromebook, once you tap on Guest and the arrow, up in the navigation bar, you should go to tinkercad.com. That will bring you to this home page of the website. Click on Sign In the top right corner. And when you are prompted to enter an email or a username, look down below. When you opened up your Chromebook, if you signed in using your school Google account with your username and password, you should be able to click on Sign In using social providers and Google, and then it will automatically recognize you and bring you to your Tinkercad account. Here I am in my design page. I'm going to click on Create New Design, and it will take me to a blank work plane. This blue square here is the work plane. The lines are marking centimeters and millimeters to help you as you are creating your objects. Over on the left side is the view cube. I can click and rotate the view cube so that I can change the angle that I am looking at my design in the work plane at. If you want to zoom in or out, you can also click on the plus or minus signs. If you have a mouse that has a scroll ball, you can also use that to zoom in and out. Over on the right side, we have the shape menu. The basic geometric shapes are listed first. If you want to go to other categories, you can click on the arrow here. There's a drop-down menu that lets you go to other more specific shapes. But for now, we are going to just stay in the geometric shapes. When you are designing, you can simply click on one of the objects and drag it over to the work plane. When you have it selected, it will have the different white and black boxes here so that you can adjust and change the object. You'll also notice when you have the object selected that the shape window is open. And our primary use at this point for that is just if we want to change to positive or negative space, or as they list here, solid and whole. So we'll talk about that a little bit later in another lesson, but just so that you are aware of that. When you are using the shapes, you will also notice these different arrows here and this kind of pine tree cone shape that we'll be using to make other adjustments to our shapes. In general, these are the basic things that you need to know about the work plane as we start using Tinkercad. Of course, as you get more experience and you start to explore other areas, there are a lot of details that you can add and change and other features that you can use, but this is a good start for us.